Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this house in Maya. I'm also going to texture this house and also going to model this house. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our model. So this was a reference I was using. This was a reference I was using, and here is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.